what? There's a good possibility that they want to get it up to that 60 number before they drop it down again. Well, guess what they did yesterday afternoon? Ran it up to 60. We talked about that yesterday, right? Correct? Everybody remember that? Quickly, so we can get some get our stuff going. Okay. So we're going to use the same kind of thought process we did yesterday. As long as we stay above this level, really sold from before. So a good number for that would be probably what do we use yesterday? 43, 40, 43. So as long as we stay above 43, we've got to really think long going into 60. Below 43, this is probably a seller's market. I don't see anything to change our thought process from that. With 60 on the daily, we kind of look at the same thing here, right? Yeah. So in my mind here, looking at the daily as well, right around the same area here, there's a lot of candles that kind of just stop, turn around, or just stop. So somewhere between the 43, I guess. Let's use this one. This is high of 28. That's a little far from where we're at right now, but if it goes below 28, all right. So here we are right now, guys. Here's a plan for the ES. Above 43 is kind of our line in the sand. Above 43, we're looking to go to 60. Below 43, you're probably looking to go down to like 28. If it goes below 28, we're throwing everything in the kitchen sink, including a baby in the bathwater at shorts. Above 60, we're throwing everything, including kitchen sink and the baby in the bathwater at longs. Otherwise, we treat this as a range between 28 and 43 number. Vice versa, if it goes above 43, same thing. There we go. Simple enough. All right, there's the ES, YM, similar situation. Somebody type that up so I can copy and paste it in the alert section. And then we're going to go probably both here on the both here on the red for a short term. Trailing stops, trailing targets. I mean, trailing entries, trailing targets, trailing stop. Enabled. I'm going to go ahead and put myself in position. All right. Okay. With somebody right with 43 being the line in the sand. And here on the YM, whoever's doing the YM day, got an easy one here. Got an inside day. Use this. I mean, literally, you could just use yesterday's candle. Above 409, you got to be long heavy. Below 886, you got to be short heavy. Treat it as a range otherwise. As a matter of fact, both the ES and YM are inside. We're working on inside days here, so we're probably going to be ranging for a little bit. There we go. Thank you, Justin. All right. Somebody put the YM numbers I just gave you in, and we'll post that as an alert.
All right, I'm back. Hey, Coach Brian.
Hey, back. What's happening?
Now what I miss?
We actually are doing a plan. People actually.
Nice.
People are actually participating, which is great. This is what the rule should be. Yes, there's your ES numbers. There's your ES stuff. Really simple plan here, guys. Really simple plan. We should think of today as more like a range bound day. Again, below 28, we know there should be something that should ignite sellers. Above 43, that should ignite some buyers.
All right.
All right. Man, market doesn't want to play ball today at all. Is the market asleep?
Market's that's kind of creeping a little bit. Yeah. Kind of break of a trend
I
line.
looked at it
It's gonna be
8 and then close to 8:30. I was like, there is absolutely nothing happening. And then you had a slow little creep up. So some people probably taking advantage of along there. We are in an uptrade, guys. I mean, a deeper pullback to buy is not a horrible thing to look at here. We have a support area on the ES. It's just so slow. I hate these slow markets. I'll take one shot on a long. How about that, guys? Try here. One opportunity.
there was your entry on the ES. I missed it, but
Nope, they're not buying it. Turning that puppy off. Want to be patient. Just going to be patient here, people. Just going to be patient. If you did that one, you had to get your targets off really quick.
Real quick, yeah.
Do it now. Did anybody take
them.
that shot on the long side?
I still think it's a valid long.
Is this a valid setup?
Yeah.
Is it? I mean, it comes from the zone and everything.
9 tick right out of the zone.
All right.
Oversold stochastics.
All right, good. All right, good job, guys. You guys
don't give up on this yet.
Pull your stops to a guaranteed win, and a baby ride.
Yeah, don't give up on this thing yet. It's gonna go. Here it goes. There you go. Now you got targets off easily.
Mr. Wilbur's got the zones on fire.
Yeah, he did. That's what it is. That's what my issue is. Okay.
Mr. Wilbur, your zones are rocking, buddy.
Yeah, old Boss Hog got it going. Come on. Get up past that 89 and keep going. Make this a good trade for me. There you go. See?
You long too?
Yeah, this is a perfect setup. Telling CJ early, we wait for our setups patiently, and that was a bounce right out of that zone. Perfect 9 tick, hook of stochastics. That's what we wanted.
That's what we're looking for. Yeah,
that was it. That's one of our setups. Now I don't know how far it's going to go, but definitely got money in it already. So, okay.
There you go.
Oh, I didn't turn my grid on. Oh, don't.
Make sure your stops are on at
Dang it,
30, 75 at least right now. Sacrificing myself to get you guys good positions.
Take one for the team.
Already this morning, Stefan?
Yeah. I made 1,200 with the grid and 500 in minis and 750. Good Lord, Stefan.
You're done, buddy. You're done.
Yeah, see you later, man.
Hey, come advertise. You need to show up at 11.
Be there at 11 so you can tell everybody how it works.
For me.
In fact, just give him Mike a privilege and let him do the webinar.
Getting right. Give Sets a commission on it.
Your Gracia, his settings should be the same as mine. They're posted in the alerts above.
Yep. Nine tick short. ES. I switched to short now, guys. Took a couple targets on the short side. Told you guys I was putting myself in position. 9 tick spread.
Are your charts frozen, or is it just me?
Switch to short, so it's already got me a couple more positions. Are my charts frozen?
Yeah, your charts are frozen. I don't see anything.
Oh, they're moving.
Is it just me? Can you guys see his charts moving?
I'll turn it on when it's trending. That's probably not bad advice unless you know what you're doing, like me.
I don't see his
frozen. Oh, they're frozen. Let me refresh.
All right, no, there we go. Well, I switched back and forth. Now they're moving. All right, weird.
You're weird.
I am strange. I do not deny that. I resemble that remark. Look at this. Come on, baby. One and done on this ES trade.
Oh.
One and done on this ES trade. Keep going, baby. Give me a runner out of this thing. Let's go. Prove me right. $31.41. Here we go. Runner time. Let's play my music.
Hey, who else is in it?
Anybody else in this? Nice.
Alongside, they are you.
Anybody?
Comes in it. Okay,
Robert,
Ron's in. Good
nice.
job. Robert's still in. Good job.
Robert, Bob. Nice, Bob. Good job, Bob. Lincoln. You want to stop?
Yeah, let me give stops.
Wow, right now, probably what, 36?
36 is good to me.
36, 36.50?
I call it 36 just for a minute.
Probably going to come back.
Give this candle a second.
Yeah.
I mean, if you're in runner status right now.
If you're close to runner, lock that in. Take your money. Good job, CJ. You long ES or NQ? There's
your ES long setup that Hugh called.
Yep, that's a valid long on that on the NQ.
On the YM as well. Sorry,
CJ, you just need to. We need to talk. Maybe you and I should get on the phone. We can talk about. I can kind of give you an idea of what we look for. It really is simple, man. If you're doing the ICT and the fair value gaps and all that stuff, this is going to be real simple for you. You'll pick up real quick. But it works. Promise you it works. Don't take my word for it. Anybody else down here can verify that it works? Our methodology?
It works.
Anybody in here making any money at all?
Told you guys I switched my grid to short with 9 ticks, so just letting you guys know that. And
there was
I really want it to stay above that nobody wrote down the YM numbers and put them in, so I'm not going to post them in the alerts if you guys don't want to do it. But I really want it to stay above the 43 for me to be super excited about being long. Me personally, that's just me. I'll be patient. But that's a good trade for you guys. That was a great trade, and I would have gotten in it if the auto trader would have got me in. I probably would have, if I had my long button on earlier. It would have got me because it did post the arrow there. And the green bar. So it should have put me in. I just didn't turn it on quick enough. Probably get a little bounce on the first touch rule here, but the YM never finished its setup. So probably are looking at selling this, guys. A little bounce on the first touch rule, like I said, on the ES. YM you might get a setup here on the long side for the YM, but I would be very wary of that, guys. Yes. If you did it, target's off. If you didn't do the first touch rule, just sit on your hands and wait like I am. Hey, do the first touch rule. How about that?
There you go.
It's 2 for 2 if you did. Bingo, bango, bongo. Bingo, bango, bang. Was it bingo, bango, bongo?
Bingo, bango, bungo.
One's a team mascot, one is a fictional character, and one's a game. I don't know. I can't remember what it is. Isn't Bango like a basketball mascot or something like that?
I think so, right?
Yeah. Or bongo? Bongo. Bongo is basketball. Bango is something you yell when you do something in a game, I think.
Bingo is something you know.
Obviously, bingo. Yeah, you might get a
Oingo
long setup
or
right now on the
bongo
YM.
or
On the YM, you might get a setup coming out right now. Again, I'm wary of the long guys. Just wary right now. Just really wary of the longs. I know everything says let's pick a long trade, but this last move couldn't even get past the prior swing after the open. That's a sign number one that makes me wary of longs. And starts to say maybe we really think this is a range bound market, which we said that already. I just happen to be on the short side of my grid. My grid. I got the guys.
grid.
Well,
CJ, you should be done, right?
We
Those
have
two
some
good NQs.
Nice,
Nice,
Tobias.
Tobias. Job, brother. That's the way you do it. Guys, I love it. Everybody just keep
Good
posting.
job,
It makes
people.
me happy to see everybody putting out there.
YM screen's not up. Yes, celebrate victories, guys. Promise you, it's contagious.
We uplift all our members here. We all celebrate. We like all wins.
Victories.
Nice, CJ. Good job, bro. Good job. Slightly red. All right. I'll let you know, Isaac. You might.
You're going to get it in Q call for Isaac.
Yeah, I'm looking
Yes,
right now.
I keep saying that, guys. I told you, Wesley, everybody. Anybody using a grid should be on short 9 ticks and have yourself in a position already. Or 2.
Oh, God, that's
or
busy.
3. I don't know how many I'm in.
Just be patient, Justin.
Green 50. All right. Is anybody on the ES or YM looking for a trade if they're slightly red? Anybody looking for a trade? ES. Okay. All right. You got Isaac on the MQ. I get Stefan and these guys on the ES, and we'll get you. Good job, everybody. Okay. All right. Just want to get a little green. I know you're always looking for a trade. Jaw cap. That was a prior zone too.
It was a prior zone. Yep.
Was a prior zone. So no wonder they'll be buying here. So let's watch. This is what we do, guys. Nice stretch. Be done. Get out of here. If it doesn't break this swing high, guys,
stretch. News at
we're going to take a sell
10.
signal. Okay.
I got resistance.
Doesn't break the swing high. Even look at this here.
Yeah, she gonna go. She gonna go.
It's going.
She gonna go.
News in 7 minutes. Yep. Little news. I don't think it's huge. I don't think we'll see anything today that's going to really be just earth shattering. Yeah, jolts maybe. Okay. So maybe we wait until after 10 today. Yeah, let's wait until after 10. Good call, guys. Good call, guys.
All right, Michael.
And that long on the YM came from nowhere. So that's a hard one to do. All right, Michael. Have fun. If you can't have fun with that.
Yeah, it's his job.
It's his job.
Okay. Coffee break before the news. There you go.
Yeah, do it, guys. Grab a quick coffee before the news. Probably see this thing pick a direction after 10 anyway, so do that.
Nice, Taylor. Nice.
All right, Taylor. Wow, good job, buddy.
Look at these numbers, man. Great morning for everybody. Even our trials are making, everybody's making money today.
Just making money.
Making money.
Right. Micro's on the grid master. Way to go. There you go, buddy. It didn't break the swing high, and I didn't call the sell signal because everybody wanted to wait till after news. And I kind of wanted to as well. Nice, Ron Joe.
I want to tell you short here, Isaac, but it needs to break below
We just got to wait till the news, I think, at this point.
49. Yeah, that's true. We got the news coming up. Probably just wait.
Good job, guys. Everybody, good job. Good job this morning, people. There you go, Trials. Trading's not that hard.
Easy button. That was easy. All right, I did not turn my grid on today because I had Frozen Ninja. I'll wait till after the news and turn it on. See if I can keep up with all these numbers everybody's posting on the grid. I gotta catch up. It's contagious. Yeah, the grid's fun.
Contagious.
Gracia, did you turn it on today?
Well, we are no new highs, no new lows on the ES. YM's probably just about to do the same thing, kind of the same thing. It wants to sit in that range before the news here. So this kind of gives us a hint, right, guys? What do you guys think about this? You look at the ES right now, no new high, no new lows going into news. Kind of makes you feel like they're setting up for a big move on the news. Somebody's setting it up.
No, I'm logged in, no problem. Tobias. All right, you'll get it. You're in Sim, so it's just a matter of you'll figure it out. Don't worry. Don't, like I said, don't overthink it.
Keep in mind, classes at 11. We're going to be in the orientation room at noon, Gracia. I mean, 11 classes at noon in Elite, and the presentation is 11 in the orientation room. And that's where we've invited outside people from not club members to take a look at the grid. Okay. All right. Just so you guys know. Maybe if Miss Pauline is around, she can post that link in.
Yeah, I was going to get her to do that. Range bound 700, 800. Yeah. NQ runs in 100
today class.
100 point blocks anyways. Yeah. No, right?
Class.
Oh, class
presentations at 11.
Yeah.
Presentation at 11.
There's your short now.
Let's see, is it 10 o'clock? Yeah.
There's your short.
Yeah. I was at super excited on the long side today. There's still a good couple minutes for news. Boot camp. Oh, Miss Paulina, are you around?
There's your short. Isaac, did you take it? I told you right below that you had it.
Yes, CJ, non-club members can do both the presentation at 11 and class at noon. Presentation is obviously to get people to try the grid out. And that presentation, we'll just go through settings and we'll talk about the grid for a while. And then class, we're going to go through. Actually, I have a couple options for you guys for class, but a lot of people still want to do settings for the grid. So we'll probably start with that and then finish with something else, or vice versa on class.
You can Patriot, you have access. Isaac, did you short that? I told you below 46, you could short it. That should have made up your red.
There's an orientation room link for 11.
Yep. Can you post it in the alerts, Paulina? Oh, it's there all the Hold on to that short if you're in it, Isaac. Breaks here, it's going to run. And Q. Isaac said he was a little short, and
Welcome to Liberty Trading Club, everyone. This is Paulina here. Hopefully you've enjoyed our live stream this morning and got to see our auto traders in action. If you'd like to join us on a free 3-day trial, please use the link in the description below to join us in our trade room. Please like, subscribe, and share.